see that your friends are expecting to play with them. Are you guys interested in playing with marbles?
Sure, we're interested. How do you play this?
It's very simple. I've got a table which has 4 different surface sections. And each one of you will roll your marbles with all your strength on these sections. You'll stand on one end of the table and roll it. Whoever gets the maximum distance will win the game.
Yay! That's a good game. We want to play.
Okay, guys. The first section has a rough wooden surface at the top. The second section is made up of stone. The third section is made up of glass. And the fourth section has a smooth wooden surface.
Okay, let's go then. Hey, look here. I am the best. I am the strongest and I beat you all. Oh, I am so bad at this. I don't like to play this. I am the last.
Rungoo, that's not true. Maybe your friend was strong, but that's not the reason why his marble went the longest distance.
Really? Oh, but what about my section of the table?
Your section of the table is made of unpolished stone, so it has the least smooth surface of all the tabletops.
Oh, now I see it. Can we do this one more time? This time, I want to roll the marbles on the glass section. Look here, I beat you all.
Isn't that amazing? You guys learn new things every day. I'll explain how this whole thing works. There were 4 surfaces where Rungoo and his friends rolled a marble. The first one was a rough wood surface. Second was stone. Next was a glass surface, and the last one was smooth wood surface. Now, when the marble rolled on the surfaces, it went the longest distance on the glass, since the glass surface was very smooth. Next was the smooth wooden surface. Next was the rough wooden surface, and the last was the stone surface, since the stone surface was the roughest of all the surfaces. The glass surface is the smoothest surface, and the stone is the roughest surface.
That's true, Rhea.
Okay, why don't you guys come outside and play?
Sure, but what is there to do outside?
Come with me. Let's try something else. I'll give you some objects to drop from a tree.
Okay, Rick. I'm sure my friends will like to try that.
Here are 4 objects. One is the steel ball, which is the heaviest. A stone, which is next heaviest. A wooden piece, which is lighter than that. And finally, a feather, which is the lightest of all. Rungoo, come here and get the heaviest item, the steel ball. You, come and get the stone.
Thank you.
You, come here and get the wooden piece.
Thank you.
You, come and get the lightest object, the feather.
Thank you.
Okay, it's time for all of you to climb on the tree.
Sure, we'll do that.
Okay, everyone, here it comes. Ready, set, go! Okay, as you can see, all the 4 objects fell to the ground. But the objects did not reach the ground at the same time. Did you see that, Rungoo?
Yes, I did see that, Rick. But I don't know why.
We'll learn all about it later. Now, you need to know 2 things.
What are they?
All objects reach the ground when dropped.
Okay, what is the second thing?
Different objects reach the ground at different speeds. Usually, the heavier objects reach the ground faster, and the lighter objects take longer to reach the ground. We'll get a much better understanding at a later time. Now, I'll show you what you guys did. First, each one of you got an object to drop from the treetop. Next, you went and sat on a tree branch. When I said ready, set, go, you dropped the objects exactly at the same time. All the objects dropped to the ground. We understand that all objects, when dropped, reach the ground, but the objects reach the ground at different times, usually based on how heavy they are. Okay, it's time for all of you to have some fun.
Sure, Rick. We're going to play some games. Come along, guys. Let's go.